Hi, I'm Pete Barham, head of Ryobi Power Tools. What I'm going to do today is get 3 pieces of wood, join them together using biscuit joints with our router table and the 1/4-inch router, the ERT1150VN. Then I'm going to join those together, glue the wood together to make a much squarer piece of wood, and then I'm going to square that off using the 10-inch sliding mitre saw, the EMS2026, and then finish it off using the router again to give a nice rounded finish to the piece of wood, so you have a nice plinth at the end of it, and then that will all get sanded down and look fantastic, and it will look even better when it gets varnished.
Shout till they play songs we can dream about.